What if I told you the laziest way to make money online doesn't involve surveys, watching videos, or chasing pennies, but instead gives you real daily income you can actually live on? Stick with me because today I'm going to walk you through how moms, dads, and empty nesters are using a done-for-you system to earn in just a couple of hours a day. And make sure you hang on until step 4 because that's the one that turns this into the true lazy method. Hi, I'm Lori, a married empty nester mom of 4. And like many of you, I've felt the weight of bills, fatigue, and wondering how to make life less stressful. On top of that, I live with a chronic illness, which means I can't hustle for 12 hours a day or chase every side hustle under the sun, even though I've tried. I needed something simple, something flexible, that worked even on the days when I didn't feel my best. That's when I found the Freedom Formula Blueprint. And honestly, it's the closest thing to the lazy way I've ever seen, because the hardest parts, the product, the website, the funnel, they're already done for you. And today I'm going to show you exactly how it works and why it might be the solution you've been waiting for. Let's clear something up right away. When I say lazy, I don't mean no effort at all. You'll still need to show up for a couple of hours a day. But here's what makes this the laziest way compared to everything else. You don't have to create products from scratch. You don't have to ship or deal with inventory. You don't need to learn complicated tech or coding, and you don't need to spend thousands on paid ads. Instead, you start with a done-for-you digital business where the heavy lifting is already handled. Your role is simply to show up, share, and be consistent. Let's be real. Most families are running on fumes. Moms are juggling kids, laundry, and work deadlines. Dads are clocking overtime just to keep up with the bills. Empty nesters are suddenly realizing that retirement savings don't stretch as far as they thought. It's exhausting. And chasing small-time online money hacks like online surveys or apps just adds to the fatigue. This blueprint works because it gives you real leverage. It turns a couple of hours into something sustainable without draining your energy. And that's what most of us want, not laziness for laziness' sake, but freedom, peace, a way to breathe again. Here's where it gets practical. The system is built around 5 simple steps. Step 1, choose the right done-for-you digital business. You don't need to guess what sells. The products are already created and proven. Ebooks, trainings, templates. Every sale is 100% profit to you. Number 2, set up your funnel. Think of it like your digital storefront. It collects emails, shows your offer, processes payment, and once it's set up, it delivers instantly, even while you're sleeping. Step 3, drive traffic with simple marketing. Here's the fun part. You don't need expensive ads. You can use free platforms like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Post short tips. Share your story. People connect with people, so your job is simply to show up authentically. Step 4, your email list. This is where the lazy magic happens. Your email list works on autopilot. You write a sequence once and it keeps building trust and making offers while you're living your life. Think of it as your clone, selling for you 24/7. Step 5, automate and scale. Once the basics are running, you can grow without adding hours. Automation does the heavy lifting. That's how people move from a couple hundred a week to consistent daily income up to $900 days or more. If this is sounding like the kind of freedom you've been craving, hit subscribe right now so you don't miss the next video. And grab your free Freedom Formula Blueprint in the description below. It lays out all 5 steps in detail so you can start today. A lot of people hear lazy and think, oh, that must mean I just click a button and money falls into my account. That's not reality. Here's the truth. Myth 1, you need to go viral. Reality, most people in the system don't go viral at all. They grow steadily with free strategies. Myth 2, you need advanced tech skills. Reality, if you can use email and social media, you'll be just fine. Myth 3, you need a huge upfront investment. Reality, this model is designed to be low cost and beginner friendly. Lazy doesn't mean zero effort. It means simple, streamlined, and sustainable. This isn't a one-size-fits-all job. It works for real life. Moms who only have nap time to work, perfect fit. Dads who want evenings back with their family, this model runs in the background. Empty nesters looking for retirement income or renewed purpose, this gives you both. I've seen people go from, I didn't even know where to start, to, I can't believe this is actually working in just a few weeks. And that's why I call it the laziest way to make money online, because it strips away all the overwhelm and leaves you with what works. I'll be real, this isn't a lottery ticket, but I've seen people in our community consistently earning 300 to 900 plus days using this exact blueprint. Not influencers, not tech experts, just regular moms, dads, and empty nesters. And the best part, they're doing it without cold calling, without bugging friends and family, and without a 60+ hour work week. This is about working less, living more, and letting a system handle the hard parts. Now you might be wondering, do I need tech skills? No. If you can scroll TikTok, you can do this. Do I need a big following? Not at all. Most people start with 0. Do I need to spend thousands up front? Nope. This is designed to be beginner friendly and affordable. What if I don't have much time? That's the whole point, my friend. It's built around a 2-hour workday, perfect for busy parents or anyone with health challenges like me. What if I've failed at other side hustles? That's okay. This isn't about trying harder. It's about plugging into something that's already proven to work. So if you're ready to stop grinding and plug into the laziest way to make money online, one that gives you more peace, more time, and 100% profit, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more tips. And don't forget to grab your free Freedom Formula Blueprint in the description below. That's where you'll find the exact steps to get started today. You don't have to keep sacrificing your peace and your family time just to scrape by. The laziest way to make money online isn't about doing nothing. It's about plugging into a system that's already built for you. So take the first step. Grab your free blueprint. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in this next video.